Subscribe to GK Geeks YouTube channel and activate bell icon to watch more general knowledge videos. In this video, we are going to learn Indian polity general knowledge questions for all competitive exams. Question number 1. How many languages have recognized by the Constitution? Options A. 15, B. 18, C. 22, D. 24. Answer C. 22. Question number 2. Under which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India is the annual financial statement of the economy to be laid by the government on the table of the Parliament before 31st March every year? Options A. Article 16, B. Article 31, C. Article 112, D. Article 124. Answer C. Article 112. Question number 3. The articles of the Constitution of India which deal with directive principles of state policy are options A. 26 to 41, B. 30 to 45, C. 36 to 51, D. 40 to 55. Answer C. 36 to 51. Question number 4. Which article of the Constitution of India can the President of India be impeached? Options A. Article 61, B. Article 75, C. Article 76, D. Section 356. Answer A. Article 61. Question number 5. Which one of the following provisions of the Indian Constitution deals with the appointment and dismissal of the Council of Ministers? Options A. Article 70, B. Article 72, C. Article 74, D. Article 75. Answer D. Article 75. Question number 6. 10th schedule of Indian Constitution deals with options A. Anti-defection legislation, B. Panchayati Raj, C. Land reforms, D. Distribution of powers between the Union and states. Answer A. Anti-defection legislation. Question number 7. Which provision relating to the fundamental rights is directly related to the exploitation of children? Options A. Article 17, B. Article 19, C. Article 23, D. Article 24. Answer D. Article 24. Question number 8. The constitutional state has been given to panchayats under Article. Options A. 219, B. 226, C. 239, D. 243. Answer D. 243. Question number 9. The executive power of the state are vested in the governor under Article dash of the Constitution. Options A 14, B Article 154(1), C 155, D 356. Answer B Article 154(1). Question number 10. Finance Commission is constituted under Article dash of the Constitution of India. Options A 275, B 280, C 283, D 301. Answer B 280. Question number 11. Which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists in the names of states and specifies their territories? Options A first, B second, C third, D fourth. Answer A first. Question number 12. How does the Constitution of India describes India as? Options A federation of states and union territories, B a union of states, C Bharatvarsh, D federation nation. Answer B a union of states. Question number 13. The number of union territories in India is? Options A 5, B 6, C 7, D 9. Answer C 7. Question number 14. Which of the following states is a member of the Seven Sisters? Options A West Bengal, B Tripura, C Orissa, D Bihar. Answer B Tripura. Question number 15. Among the following states, which one was formed last? Options A Andhra Pradesh, B Gujarat, C Karnataka, D Punjab. Answer C Karnataka. Question number 16. Andhra Pradesh was created as a linguistic state in? Options A 1950, B 1953, C 1956, D 1961. Answer B 1953. Question number 17. In which year was the state of Jharkhand formed? Options A 1998, B 1999, C 2000, D 2001. Answer C 2000. Question number 18. Which part of the Constitution details of citizenship are mentioned? Options A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Answer B 2. Question number 19. Which of these is not included as a fundamental right in the Indian Constitution? Options A right of freedom of speech, B right of equality before law, C right of constitutional remedies, D right of equal wages for equal work. Answer D. Right of equal wages for equal work. Question number 20. Aadhaar is a program. Options: A. To help senior citizens. B. To provide nutritional support to adolescent women. C. To train people for social defense. D. To provide identity to Indian residents. Answer D. To provide identity to Indian residents. Thank you for watching this video.